My name is Carrie Ingram, and I am a small YouTuber. We's about to get some monies. Get it. If you clicked on this video, it's probably because of a multitude of reasons. The main one being that you're a small YouTuber too, but you also could be a dedicated subscriber. You could be just a really cool person. You got some options here. Today's video is going to be all about how to make money on YouTube as a small YouTuber and to grow your channel and all that good stuff. But before we get into all these tips and tricks, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. We have to support each other as small YouTubers, you know? And also make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're interested in more YouTube-y based videos like this one. Alrighty, so you guys probably want a little rundown on who I am and information about my channel, so I'll give you a little bit of that. Again, my name is Carrie. I have been on YouTube for forever and a day. I'm actually 57 years old and I've been on YouTube since before it even began in about 2001. No, I've been on YouTube for I think like 5-6 years, and I technically have been on YouTube way longer than that, but I didn't start making videos until I was in high school, my sophomore year, and I am now a junior in college. I will say my beginning content was kind of tragic and I'm still growing as a person and as a content creator, but I am proud of how far I've come. I'm also not ashamed to say that I'm still a small YouTuber, just because I feel like my content and my channel and my community is a little bit more authentic than most because of that. Not to shade anybody who is a larger YouTuber, it's just something that I'm not ashamed of, and I don't think that you should be ashamed of being a small YouTuber as well. I have made some really good gains even though I have a smaller channel. I don't have 1 million followers or subscribers, but I have made money off of YouTube. I have been able to have event opportunities, sponsorship opportunities, PR opportunities, and it's all just about your hustle and flow, guys. So the first thing that I'm going to tell you guys, and the first and most important tip for making money off of YouTube, is to stay dedicated and motivated. Such a simple tip, but honestly, you're not going to grow immediately. I mean, some people have that luck. I'm not one of those people. You might not make that many followers as fast as you think, and that's okay as long as you stick with it. Don't sign up for YouTube for the sole purpose of making money too. I think I should put that out there. Like, yeah, it's great to make money on the side, but you should sign up for it because it's something you're passionate about, and because you're more passionate about creating content or videos or reaching out to other people that you probably would have never met in person. You should be passionate about those things and not just about money. So I would say don't go chasing money, but if you don't go chasing money, you will stay dedicated because you're just doing it because it's something that you really honestly enjoy. My second tip is to never sign for an MCN, and I probably will do a whole separate video on this, but the basis of this is an MCN is a multi-channel network. Things like Style Hall, Awesomeness TV, they're cool networks. Like, I'm not bashing them completely, but if you're a small YouTuber, don't sign for them. They sign larger YouTubers, and it is rumored that they have different contracts for these YouTubers. I'm not gonna say it is a dead fact just because I'm not trying to get sued for defamatory content, okay? Larger YouTubers already have a large following, so they can actually benefit from MCNs, but if you are smaller, don't sign up for an MCN. I signed up for one and I was stuck in one for about 3 to 4 years on YouTube, and I didn't realize until now, not being in an MCN, how much money I was losing from just being signed to YouTube versus being signed to another channel that is taking some of your profit. They will not really grow you as much as they promise, just because they want to promote more of their big YouTubers so that more people sign up for them thinking that they'll end up being a big YouTuber, and it's promising in theory, but it's just, don't do it. Don't do it. I would say sign for YouTube and monetize your videos. I don't know if YouTube has changed their monetization rules recently, just because I've always kind of been monetized by them, but I would say just create good content again, and make sure that your content is something that doesn't include copyright infringement or anything like that. You want to follow YouTube's rules, because then you can monetize it and actually make money, and they won't be taking anything from you. YouTube does have a rule though that you have to make a minimum of $100 first before they start sending you money, so they're not going to send you a paycheck with $5 on it. You'd have to make up to $100 and then they'll send that to you, but I think that's awesome just because you can really see the progress that you make and how fast you make that money. And YouTube has its analytics stream, so that way you can track each video, track all of your videos together, all the different things that are helping you and hurting you as far as your content goes. The next thing that I would say is that even though you don't sign for an MCN, you can sign up for influencer type of company. The most popular one, at least in the beauty community, that I've seen other people sign up for, and they're not bloggers, is Influencer, which they just send you stuff and you can review it and you can post it on your socials, and it does not have to be YouTube, but YouTubers do it all the time. You can also sign up for things like Influencer Collective, which is in partnership with her campus. You can sign up for a lot, like literally just a Google search, like different influencer campaign type of companies, because there's a lot that will give you sponsorships based on how many followers you already have, what type of content you make. Most of the time the sponsorships will be giving you like free merchandise and not so much free merchandise and money, but every now and then you'll start to get like social media things where they'll pay you like $50 to post one picture on social media, which is really awesome. Another thing is to not be shy about sending out emails. I am my own PR person. I send out emails to different companies that fit my brand, things that I think I would honestly be interested in, or companies of products that I genuinely already use, and I'll send them an email and just say, hey, my name's Carrie, I am interested in your products and your company, and this is what I do. And I'll give them my media kit, which I'll probably make a separate video if you guys are interested, so let me know in the comment down below. But a media kit just pretty much contains everything a blogger needs, kind of like your portfolio. So I'll send that to them, and I'll give them sometimes even like little ideas of what videos I could do with their products if they wanted to collaborate with me, and that has worked. I honestly got my first collaboration before I even had 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I think I was like 3 months into YouTube and I had like 120 subscribers, and there were companies that were willing to work with me just because they saw my content and saw how dedicated I was. So don't feel like you can't reach out to companies with no subscribers, because some companies will honestly give you a chance, and I really appreciate that about those companies in particular. If you feel like that's a little intimidating though, you can also sign up for things like FAMEBIT, where you go on, by the way, this is not a sponsored video, you can go onto FAMEBIT and you log in and put all your information and attach your socials and things, and they'll actually have a list of already like brands searching for influencers, and so you just propose your ideas onto FAMEBIT and you send that out to the company. So companies are constantly checking that, so you're a little bit more likely to get sponsorships with them. But I just like it better when I email them personally, because then I can have a really authentic relationship with the company, and there's been a lot of companies that I've stayed in contact with. Don't lose hope, just reach out to people. Another thing you can do is use your YouTube to promote other money marketing sites that you're on, such as if you sell Poshmark or Postmates or anything like that, you could promote that on YouTube, get your followers to check that out. I just recently partnered with Amazon as a small YouTuber, so I have my own Amazon shop, and that's something that you can leave in your comment section, so that way they can check it out and you can make money and profit. But again, just make sure that everything that you put on your content is authentic. Like, you don't want it to, at the end of the day, just be about the money, because then people will stop watching you. Just do it because you're passionate about it. Another tip that I have for making money off YouTube is to engage, and I don't mean just like ask people, let me know what your answer to this question is in the bottom of the comment section and the end of my video. Like, you shouldn't, that's not engagement. Starting a conversation, but it's not engaging with the conversation. I think it's very important to not only comment back and talk to your like specific community, the people who watch your videos, but also check out other people's videos and authentically comment. I think starting a conversation is cool, because then you can make YouTube friends, you can start to collaborate, and some people will check out your content and they'll click on your video and you'll make more money if you monetize it. Honestly, if you just start off following these steps, life will get a lot easier for you. I'm a small YouTuber, but I have made several paychecks from YouTube. I have gone to New York for events. I have gotten several different sponsorships. A lot of different brands have sent me different things to try out, and I've done it all on my own with no camera crew, no editor, no manager, nothing. It's just been me. So it is totally possible to do so, and I would just say don't lose hope and really just believe in yourself, because you can definitely do it. If you guys want more particular videos as far as my experience with Style Haul, which was the MCN that I signed up for, or how to make a media kit, or anything more specific, let me know in the comments, as well as any other further questions you guys have. I'd love to reach out to you guys. You guys can even send me emails. I usually leave my email link in my description box, as well as my socials. Like, feel free to contact me however you feel comfortable. I don't mind answering questions. I love talking to you guys, and I won't bite. But I hope this video was somewhat useful, and I hope that it does give you guys a little bit of hope, okay? because you can make money, you can do it. There's hope. But I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. I'm planning on posting this video in the morning, but it might make a little bit more sense to post it in the prime time. Get it? Because it's a primer video. Can you just watch my seat? I'm gonna leave. I'll see you later.